Oh my god. Hello. I have reservation. Hello. How are you? I am okay. I am the only one? Yeah. Everywhere I go, no tourist.
Yeah, this time is everywhere. Low season.
Low season. And rain, right? Soon?
Yeah.
Tomorrow? I'm driving the loop, so the rain, no good.
You got big bike?
Dirt bike 125 only, but it's tall. Too tall for me, I am small, so feet cannot touch the floor. Perfect, thank you so much. You are serving any food, breakfast, coffee?
Only in the morning time.
Okay.
We don't have, we're not open yet for the restaurant.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, my friend. Cup chai. Everybody kind of just seems pissed off to see me because there's so many tourists. They just like, yeah, this is the room. Not bad. The bed looks comfortable. Squeaky shit. And then big for a little shower head. But I think the main reason I got the room is just because of balcony. I think the bridge over there leads to all the temples and stuff. So not bad at all. Another big issue whilst traveling is like you never have guaranteed food. They open certain times, they close certain times. It's not super easy, so you got to make sure you're a bit disciplined. Like, but yeah, wow, what a beautiful place. Small communal tents for like, well, not communal, personal tents, maybe £2. They have a makeshift bridge right here leading to the waterfalls. There's another homestay with a park. What a park. We'll go one step at a time. I have no idea. Wow. Pretty. Really pretty. I've absolutely... Is that electricity? I think it is. I have no idea what's here or what we're dealing with or what we're going to, but today I'm going to be hiking to a couple of waterfalls across the safest looking bridge compared to the last video. Literally going into the brush. Very pretty though. But let's go. I don't know, we'll just follow the trail. Oh my god. We need to remember that this is where the bridge is back to the bloody hostel. Didn't expect to meet a road here, but we did. So anyway, look, to get here, yeah, about 2 hours drive so far. Elevation's rising because we're going up the plateau, but we're not very high just yet. The new motorbike is huge. It's a big one, which makes it difficult to drive. Whenever I'm trying to turn, I feel like it's really pulling against it. It is what it is. We're doing it. It's a dirt bike, so we're gonna need it because the next 5 days of riding through the plateau, a dangerous plateau, is gonna be torrential rainfall. Little tiny wooden Lao houses all over the place. Very pretty. I hate hills. My lungs ain't made for it. It's a very stupid question, but a dirt bike's two-wheel drive. Because whenever I'm driving over rocks or mud or anything like that with this dirt bike, like I'm glued to the road and I can't kind of twist or turn. Kind of just glues in. I don't know if it's because it's two-wheel drive. No idea. First time ever driving one. I'll cut to some clip maybe of the motorbike here. First day on the loop. This is our first stop. We'll keep going. Organic coffee and homestay. And phallic shaped things. Hello. Hello. I do video. How are you? I love you. Bye bye. I see small civilization, some little houses and a power box. And I can hear what sounds like a waterfall. First time I'm just walking places to figure out if I'm in the right place. Don't know if anyone's here. No tourists, no Laotians. Just looking around, there's absolutely nobody. Absolutely deserted. Everywhere I go, no tourists. Where the hell are you all? So this is waterfall number 1. It's not bad. It's quite pretty. Make sure I don't kill myself. I'm looking around trying to see if there's any eyes like looking, but there is nobody. There really is nobody. They're all doing other stuff. Nice tree. That's quite pretty. Obviously goes through the village, the town. Oh. It looks very refreshing. If we get to the next one and it's a little bit easier, we'll go for a dip. But yeah, there's a small village. Absolutely beautiful palm trees, or whatever they are. I guess they're not palm trees, but look at them. Jeez. Iconically beautiful. Hello. Good luck. Sticking to the main trail, and the next place we're going is a waterfall with a very dangerous bridge. So, oh, we're doing it alone. Maybe this won't even make it onto the internet because I'll die. Who knows? We'll see. Very pretty. Just having a little look in this crevice here, just seeing if I can explore a little. But as I'm walking in, a humongous creature, I'm not sure what it was, big lizard, giant tarantula, but humongous thing just made the scariest sound I've ever heard. So I'm scared of that way. We're gonna go the official way. Oh, I can see it just through the archway over there between the doors. There is no chance in hell you can see it. I can see water pouring down from above. So let's get a little bit closer and we'll see. I'm hoping it's beautiful. Please be beautiful. It's the first one. Things only get better from here on the loop. Adventure Bridge zipline, or zipline it says. Yeah, everything looks abandoned. I think the graffiti confirms that. We are getting closer, I can see it. Oh, I'm gonna tease. The waterfall looks pretty. Not phenomenal, not the best waterfall in the world. Look at this tree, I'll give you a tree. But I want to be closer for the camera. There is a climbing way up to get to a rope bridge. Oh Jesus. That bridge looks definitely. We're getting there, look. We do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very pretty. Not a bad waterfall. Not bad at all. Trying to look if there's a way I can get down into the nice water of it. Very beautiful. Thumbnail. Yeah. One of the best and worst things about vlogging and having a camera is you see a bridge like this and your body and your brain says, oh, I don't want to do that. But the camera says you must. We've climbed up here. The view is beautiful. You can see the waterfall just around the edge there. But sadly, it is locked. Every time I'm walking and, you know, crackling all the twigs and the branches underneath me, I can hear stuff in the greenery moving, going. This is where we're going. Anyone that has seen previous videos, you know I am not a mountain goat. I am a slippery, clumsy baboon. I've had a bit of a rough couple of days, feeling a bit down, but probably just because, you know, I was a bit sedentary, doing a bit of editing, and yeah, you get a bit sad. But how you guys doing? How's the weather? How's everything? I do love you guys. Without you, I'm fucked. Tourist. Whew. Hello. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. Hold the camera upside down so it doesn't look like I'm holding it, and then in the edit I flip it vertical. So there's the anxiety trick. Look there, super beautiful. So I guess we're gonna walk back and I'll give you a little tour of where we're staying whilst I've got the energy and the voice for it. Maybe we'll cut in and out of a few places here. I would like to go for a dip. Look at these, actually. You do, like, obviously I see hundreds of them. The camera won't really pick them up, but you just think they're rope all throughout. Can the camera do that? I don't know. I don't know if the camera does that. Just these hanging vines. And if you saw my rainforest video, those vines can do some crazy stuff, man. Nature, using a man-made path. Just heard like a tree get pulled down or something. Is it a person or an animal or something falling out of a tree? This is what I'm talking about. What the hell? It looks just like a branch out of the tree. And it's come all the way down and hooked onto that one. And it's wrapped around with vines. It's crazy. How long must that take? We're back with the beautiful palms. Hello. Hello. You give him a wave, a little nod. Guy gives me a smile and a wave back. Be the first one to act, first one to smile, first one to wave. Be nice. I'm trying to break the autism, that's what it is. My autism is like, oh, one task per day. But with this, drive to a place, get there, drop off the bags, go do stuff, get ready for the next day, drive. Like, it's many things. It's many stop and starts, you know, rather than the autistic need to say, okay, I've done one thing today, that's good enough. We're trying to break that mold. I'm hoping in this video I'm gonna cut to tomorrow, because I also want to show you something amazing. But first we'll go and show you more of the accommodation. And again, this looks completely abandoned, but I guess let's just go and look. Look at that fucking tree, man. Jesus Christ. It's a ghost town. You have drink? Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. The young'uns have something... Am I recording? Yes. The young'uns have something to learn from the elderly there. All the young'uns say, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. And the old man, he chased me down. Chased me down. And gave me ice and water, drinking water. Super kind. Jesus, an ice cold drink right now. It's like heaven. What a guy. What a wonderful guy. What a wonderful guy. Look at that. Panoramic. There you go. Beautiful sky. But it's just empty. It's just a ghost town, dude. Going down here, just have a little look at the vantage point. Full tour today of the town and everything else. Good idea. Oh man. Man. Look at how beautiful that is on the camera. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. And then obviously little fella's bathing. Just went for a swim. You might ask me what's my strategy if someone tries to rob me. Say no. If they get physical, I'm gonna whack them on the head with a camera. Oh my god. Throwing mud. That's how the kids have fun. Having a bath in the river and chucking mud. Different way of life, innit? Different way of life. Look at that. Different way of life. You live by a big river, you live in heat like this. I guess the river's where you spend most of your time as a kid, right? We'd have loved it as kids. It's amazing. You can see there used to be a bridge here. An actual bridge. It's all fallen down. Incredible. When it's not tourist season and you want something like food or to buy a drink or this, that, the other, people just ain't interested. It's like, you know, when you're working a job 9 to 5 and like, you know, maybe it's 6 PM and still wearing your uniform and somebody's like, can you help me? You're like, hell nah, bruh, it's my time. Kind of like that. I feel like they work their asses off for the couple of months every year, 4 months of the tourist season. Once it's the rest of the year, they're just like, oh, my time, bro. It's off time, I want to relax. Because it's just not worth setting anything up for one person's custom, I guess. But at the same time, kind of have an obligation in this fucking heat, man. They definitely do. Hello. Hello. Oh, so many. Hello, 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 hello. Everybody always looks friendly when they're on a motorbike. I think it's because they're passing and they're like, oh, we don't have to deal with them. Right, we have to find the way back to the fucking hotel, man. Little adventure. I have no idea where we are, what we're doing, who we're gonna meet. Neither do you. I think they're looking for mushrooms. Hunting and gathering. Oh, please don't die, Bradley. I want to live. Sabadi. Oh, hot, 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 hot.
light.
Yeah. Man, yeah, all the accommodations, look at that. Look at that, I cannot. I don't know if they're all from this place. Looking for mushrooms for my breakfast, maybe. I'm the only guest. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the accommodation. Oh, Christ. Nearly died. This is what we're dealing with. Beautiful place. Motorbike is parked over there. So it's super pretty area, really nice. Guess I'll give you a look at the room. Beautiful little balcony bit for sitting with a beer or something. Aircon, mosquito net. Perfect room. Really nice. Guess catch you when I catch you tomorrow. This is where we are. If you read the reviews for this place, someone was jumped by teenagers with knives. And obviously, if you were looking at the footage, driving through the small village there, they didn't look too happy to see everyone. But there is one particular thing here that we just have to see. And I'm keeping my helmet on just in case, I don't know, some fight kicks off or something. I'm paranoid, but the famous tree, thousands of years old. Oh, there's more. It's not just this one. They're absolute. Look at the roots. I mean, look how big they are. Wow. God damn. That's insane. That's absolutely crazy. Thousands of years old. Thousands. Oh my God. Hello. Very beautiful. Wow. 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 You like this content? If you like it, let me know so I can improve. I need a poo. I need a poo. I need a poo. I need a poo.